Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to download the Jenkins WAR file and deploy it on the Tomcat application server. So open any of your favorite browser, search for Jenkins, and the first link you will get Jenkins official homepage. So this is the Jenkins official homepage. Click on download link, it will take you to the download web page. So we have two types of releases here, stable release and the weekly release. Just go ahead and look for the stable release table. So here is the stable release table. Click on generic Java package. In the brackets you see it's a .war file. So once you click on it, you will get a pop-up like this. So just save that file, click on OK. Once you click on OK, the download will start. Since I have the downloaded WAR file already available with me, I have cancelled it. So this is the Jenkins.war file which I have downloaded. So this WAR file we will be deploying it on the Tomcat web application server. Okay, now go to browser again, Google, search for Apache Tomcat, click on the first link which you get. On the left hand side you will see a download link option. Under downloads you have all the versions of Tomcat downloadable softwares available. So I am downloading the version Tomcat 8 which is compatible with my system. So once you click on that link, on the right hand pane you will get 64-bit Windows zip file. Just go ahead and click on that zip file. So you will get a pop-up like this, save file, just say OK. So it will take a very short time. Okay, it's a very small file. Okay, it got downloaded. It's under downloads, right click, extract it by using any zip software. I'm extracting it into the current directory. Once it extract completes, it will create one new directory in the downloads. So this is the directory. The version is 8.5. So under bin you have a startup script. Just go ahead and start the Tomcat instance. So okay, Tomcat has started. Once you make sure Tomcat is running fine, go back to browser, see Tomcat is running or not. Open a new tab, start typing localhost, and by default Tomcat will be running on the port 8080. That's why I entered there. And to deploy any application, we should log into Tomcat manager page, like manager app. So once you click on it, it will prompt you to enter the admin ID and password. So for the first time we are trying to log in here, so we don't have any user ID configured. So for that we have to go back to config files and configure the Tomcat users. Okay, let's go back to the Tomcat installation directory. Just go back one folder back. Under config we have a Tomcat-users file, which is a text file. Open with any of the text editor. So I have opened with Notepad++. So this is the some of the examples given in the file. So in similar way we would like to configure the admin ID which we can use it to deploy our Jenkins WAR file. So I have the entries already ready with me. Just copy, just go to the file, config file, paste it, save it. Okay, this will be your user ID and password to log into the Tomcat manager. So just go back to the browser, click on manager app, log in with the user ID which you have created just now. Okay, I am able to log in successfully now. Just go ahead and deploy the Jenkins WAR file. So to deploy that WAR file, so there are two methods. One, we can do it from the management console of Tomcat, or we can do the backend deployment. Just copy this WAR file, go to Tomcat installation directory. Under installation we have web apps, click on that. So just paste the Jenkins.war file over here. It will automatically extract and create one directory here. You can observe in this video. Okay, it just extracted and created one folder. Now go back to browser, refresh the Tomcat manager. See, there is a new application deployed called Jenkins here. Just right click on it, open in a new tab. So Jenkins will come up. So it's coming up after the first deployment. It will take a minute to deploy. Okay, So here is the login prompt. I have the user ID a password created already in the previous deployment, so that's why I'm able to log in here. Okay, go ahead and log in. It works fine. This is the home page of Jenkins login prompt by default. So you can click on logout and go out of this page. This will be the login page.